Good morning, all my crafty friends. Nana Kaye here from NanaKayDesigns.com and the Altered Book Nook. I just wanted to come on for a few minutes to say Happy New Year. It's finally here. We got through the Christmas holiday, large family events. My husband and I both have had COVID through the holiday. Yuck. I'm feeling a lot better today. Still raspy in my voice, but excuse me. I decided to come over to my shop in spite of the fact that I'm still sick and I haven't taken Paxlovid for my COVID, but I decided to come over here and just enjoy myself a little bit. And what I'm doing, it's just a lot of little odds and ends. There's a lot of little odds and ends on my desk that I'm going through and sorting. I'm still working on sorting supplies. I'm getting ready to get rid of a whole lot of supplies that I just don't use. I may pop on here and start doing some giveaways. You guys will be able to send me your mailing address and I'll just send you a little packet. I'm getting ready to do that. But today I'm just cutting out pieces of clip art that I've got laying around. I may even work on one of my journals. I'm still working on these from Christmas, and I'm just going to keep working on them. I don't care if it's not Christmas anymore. I'm going to keep working on those. And I wanted to show you my little my ribbon craft drawer. I bought one of the 10 drawer rolling carts from Michael's a long time ago. You know, they got all these color cabinets like this in them, all these drawers. They're like this, different colors. What I did was I organized my ribbons in mine. My lace, my ribbons. I came in with some heavy cardstock and made wings and glued them to the base. And then I cut and made small wings here and glued down to make sections. And I have taken, and put all my ribbons. Well, not all of them, because I'm going to have to do a whole unit. I have filled this unit up. But just to show you how well organized this makes your ribbons. Now, I don't have them all color-coded yet, and I will eventually do that, color-code them. Right now, they're just all mixed up, but I can actually pull ribbons by seeing them at a glance, what I've got available to me. And I'm just pulling out one drawer and showing you each drawer. See, they're not all quite filled up, but we're starting on them. I made my own ribbon bobbins out of old packaging. This is what my bobbins look like. I wrapped all my ribbon to them, got rid of all them spools. The big round spools, they just were too bulky to maintain for me. And I don't know how other people do those. I did have the dials with them on, slit on and things. But this works out so much better for me. My wider ribbon, everything just neatly. Even my bling rolls up onto these my own little spools that I've made. My ribbon spools. So this is my tool too. Let me see. I'll pull out one more drawer and show you. But yeah, I've got these drawers just packed full. This is one more drawer. And I even wrap my tool around the bobbins, which gives me little strips of tulle. I'm going to also do my baker's twine. Everything is going to go and get wrapped and put into these units. Now, so far, I'll show you one with my baker's twine on it. I do have that. There's one with my baker's twine. So, that's all done in that one. More of my bling, my heavier lacy items. So this is working out great for me, guys. It's just an idea. I hope it gives out you guys some organization idea, because it makes a big difference in how much ribbon that I have easy access to. It's right over here to my left. I got the drawer sitting right there. When I'm through, I can roll it back away. I will actually have 2 units full of this ribbon. That's how much ribbon I have. So as you see, I got a lot of ribbon. That's one of the things I'm working on. And then I have tons and tons of stuff that I've gotten from Dollar Tree over the ages that are in these packages right here. So I'm organizing these too. So that's what my new year is starting out like, just when I'm just not feeling like actually crafting, I'm organizing. So Nana Kaye is really busy doing that. Again, just want to wish you all a very happy new year. And I hope to see you again soon. But get in that craft room, get some organization, and get started for the year 2025. So this is Nana Kaye saying Happy New Year and many blessings in the year coming up. Bye bye.